How to get Notion Premium. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get Notion Premium. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is obviously open up your Notion. After you're on your Notion, just log in into your account. After you log in into your account, you will see your username on the top left right here. So what you can do is hover over here, tap on it, and there you'll see your current plan. So currently I'm on free plan. Now if you want to upgrade to the premium one, simply tap on the settings. After you tap on settings, there you'll see a lot of different options. On the bottom you'll see the option to upgrade your plan. Tap on upgrade plan, and there you can see different plans for your Notion. So as you can see, this is the Notion Plus, Notion Business, and Notion Enterprise. So you can tap on this, Notion Plus if you want. You can compare all features as well. I'll just tap on plus one, and now you can choose how you want to buy this, the billing option, that is pay monthly or pay annually. So obviously the annual option is a little cheaper than the monthly one. Then you can choose your business name here. You can choose your payment method if you want to use card or cash app pay. Just type in your card number, expiration date, and your security code, and then you can upgrade to your Notion Plus. And that's how you can upgrade the plan for your Notion. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.